Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to my channel. As you guys remembered with the previous video, we have been busy with the fuel system. As you know, we have hooked up everything. The fuel system is completely connected now. The fuel cell is in with the fuel filters, as well as with the fuel pumps and everything. So everything is done this side. Today we've got a lot of work to do. It's already a bit late, so I'm going to try and push to see how far we can get. Please do not forget to like, comment and subscribe. Let's go. We've got a lot of work to do. Let's get busy.
I can fly.
So we are finally done at the back. As you can see, we don't really need to do anything at the back except if we can find some fuel panels that we can just fit. But further than that, we are done. I do have some panel here at the top as well that I should probably fit today, just so it looks better. And then now I'm basically done up until here by the front side. So yeah, I can now start putting back the back seats as well as the front seats. The back seats are only putting it so it doesn't look that bad, but in a later stage I will be removing it, putting something else at the back. But for now I'm just going to run the back seat just so it looks nice and decent. Then I can also start by installing my front seats, and then I want to put that panel back as well. And then I thought while I was busy with this, I can start with the window wiring as well, so I can use my windows again. As you know, it's electronic windows, and currently I'm not able to use it due to that it's not wired, and I still need to sort that out. So if I can install the seats back in the front as well as the panel at the back, and maybe do the wiring for the windows, and I can put this panel back as well, and then we can see with the next video. I will probably start with rewiring the front dash, as well as I need to install a new switch for my lights, as well for my brights, and then as well for my indicators, as the wiring here doesn't fit well with the wiring that I'm using for my new lights. Before I get started, I'll have to move the Nissan to the front, as I'll have to open the doors both sides. As you can see, there's not much space here by the caravan, neither this side, and I don't want to scratch anything or bump anything, so I think it's just going to be best for me to go and push it out so I can work there nice in the sun. As it is winter, it is quite cold, and yeah, I just think it's going to be easier. Let's get the car out first, and then we can start with installing our seats and everything. So now that we've got everything all cleared up, as you can see, I just moved everything that we've been working on. I've just moved it to the front so that I can put back the seats. So I'm going to put the front seat back, both of them, and then I'm going to put in the back seat and then the back rest. The reason why I'm going to put the front seats first is because if you go and look carefully, I've got my harness that's going in here. So yeah, I need to put in the harness first, and then after I put the harness in, then I can put the back seats in, so that the back seats basically close down this whole section so that you don't see the bolts. So yeah, let's get started. Let's get the front seats installed first. yeah, Justin also just arrived now. He's gonna come and assist me with the vehicle as well, so that we can get it back together fast. So as you can see, I'm finally done with this seat. Now we're gonna move back to that side, install that seat, then we'll go to all the way to the back. So hele seat ingesit om te rekord. As you can see, we've got the seats, everything installed, everything is fine, everything is done from that point to the back, everything is done. So now we have started with the wiring for the windows. We did manage to find it, to trace it, as well as mark it. It's just now we still have to figure out how to work the center locking. I'm not sure if I'm going to use it though, but it might be handy just to have it. But yeah, guys, so yeah, we're gonna greet Jonathan now. Unfortunately, he's gonna go home now. He's got things to do, and then I'm also gonna leave. I'm quickly gonna go and fetch Eugene. Then he's gonna be here with me probably until late night, so that we can get this done, finished and done with. But yeah, so I'm quickly gonna go leave. Quickly gonna go and fetch Eugene. Then we're gonna come back. Then we're gonna carry on, and then I'll show you a bit more in detail. Let's go. I'll see you now. Alright guys, so yeah, we're to go and fetch Eugene. Here is now, as well as Tash. So now we're going to continue with the Nissan. Let me go and show you in detail what we have done so far. Alright guys, so yeah, as you can see, here I've got my permanent power for the wipers, for the windows. So now here I've marked them one by one, which one is what, which one is which. So I've got left down, and then this side I've got left up, and then as well I've got right down and right up as well. So the ones that's left here is for the mirrors. As you know, I've got adjustable mirrors, but I'm not going to use it because sometime soon I might install my mirrors on there in the front on the fenders. So now I've got that sorted, I just want to figure out quickly this wires, as this wire are for the central locking to lock all of the doors. So yeah, as soon as that's sorted out, then we can start giving them permanent power and then test them out, as I have been testing them with the beep tester. And then also have to store out this wire for the left side all the way through to that side, and then that is done. Then we can start putting the panels back, and then yeah, so let's see how far we can get. I would like to get everything finished before the end of the day, so that I know everything is fine. Then the only thing that's left to do next on the next video is to do the wiring for the dash, and then yeah, basically just put the dash back, and then I know that it's sorted. But yeah, I'm going to put you on a time lapse so that you can see how we are going and how we are progressing. Guys, so yeah, we are finally done. We've managed to wire all of the windows. It's done. So the only thing now that's left, I ran out of sleeving, so I'll probably buy new sleeving soon, and then we will just tidy up the ones that's left. And then while I'm busy with that, also as well complete the ones for the dash and the rest of everything as well. So yeah, let me quickly just show you quickly what it looks like inside. Just a quick show, as it looks really nice. As you can see, the windows also is closed, not all the way to the top, but yeah, it's what we've managed to do now. Okay, so unfortunately now it's a bit dark, my flash is not working, but yeah, the panels, that panel's back, this panel also is back. We must just buy new clips for it so that we can attach it again. There we go. Now as you can see, that's done. The wiring there has been done all the way to there, so we just get new sleeving and completed from that side all the way to there, and then we can just basically reconnect it. Then that window is working again, and then once we are busy with that sleeving that side, I'll also just finish the ones that's here and redo the ones that's in the big sleeving that side. So yeah guys, that's it for today. We're gonna put everything away now, and yeah, finish up. We're gonna eat something, we are hungry. As you can see, it's already late at night as well. So yeah guys, thank you for watching. I really do appreciate it. You guys must have a lovely night further, lovely day further. God bless, and please do not forget to like, comment and subscribe, and then I'll see you guys on the next video. Cheers, enjoy, goodbye.
I can fly.